Hello my sparkles of light. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing April's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you'd love to see what I got or like to see what I got,
and keep watching.
I was going to continue reading from my last video, but I didn't get any feedback as far as me continuing reading, so we're just going to keep it moving and unbox my Ipsy Glam bag today. However, if you do want to hear my personal astral projection experiences, and if you'd rather me teach it to you through my own voice, got you. I can absolutely do that. Let me know in the comments down below, okay? Let's get into it. I did already open this, so I did notice that the paper looks a little bit sparkly. I don't know if you can see the sparkles on here. Nice little touch there. So of course, I'd love to see the bag first. All right, so, oh my God. Look how cute. Here's the bag. There's some cute little, looks like dragonflies on there. And the little wooden, this is like a little wooden zipper. Oh, so it's like, look. This down for you. So it's nice and gold. It opens up, look how that opens. Card that's in here that we always get. It says Full Bloom. There's a list of the products in here again. And the retail prices, so I'll let you guys know that again. Got 2 face masks, and this actually counts as one product because you get 5 products. So these are by STARSKIN VIP. There's this one. This one is the Diamond Mask. Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose Face Mask. So this one is for illumination, 1 to 2 times a week, recommended use. And then this one, the second one that I received, is the Instantly Recovery Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. These retail for $30 for these, so these must be really, really good. I'm gonna try these. I will let you guys know how they are. I love face masks too. I love them. So I got the tarteist eyeliner here, and this, as you can see, it comes as a double liner. So one point it has the felt tip, and the other point has the pencil. Animal cruelty free. We all know Tarte is animal cruelty free, which is awesome. This I did put on, so I'll give you a close-up of that. Here's the tip of it. Look, I'm gonna use my wall. One side is the felt tip, and the other side, I did use this already, so it did have a point on it. Let's see, it goes all the way up to that, so it gives you a pretty good amount in there. So let me give you a little close-up. So what I did notice about this liner was that it did go on really nice. It seems like I couldn't layer on or make a mistake and kind of go over it because it looks like it kind of started to crack a little bit and dry. It did go on really good. I would give this liner 5 stars. It went on really nice. It gives you the 2 sides, and this retails for $24. Next is the CÉLA cream here. Cream Rose, the very best cream rose. This retails for $39. Feels like it's good, like it's gonna be amazing. Let's see, there's a little seal here for me to take off. I didn't even ask how you guys are doing. How are you guys today?
May I introduce myself? Oscar Slugworth.
It's very nice. It feels like $39. The smell is not strong with rose. I actually thought it'd be stronger. Cream has the magic combo of kupaku butter, Abyssinian oil to soften and smooth roughness, plus notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water that linger on the skin throughout the day. It is very nice and soft and sweet. It's not too strong, so that's good.
That's good. Yes.
Moving on to, I have like little notes written on the whiteboard here. This is the Triple Shot Double XL Mascara. It's all nice and shimmery. I do have this on today. There's the tip for you, nice long tip. Oh my God. Okay, if we get a close up and show you how it looks. The mascara. I did put a layer over and then on top of the lash as well. Pretty good, looks really good, I think, right? This Triple X mascara retails for $22, so was it worth $22? Would I actually have paid $22 for this? Probably not, but it is still a nice mascara. GIRLACTIK Beauty Jello Gloss Balm. GIRLACTIK Jello Gloss Balm. Nice little metallic here, a little metallic theme with these two things here. Cute. I do have this on underneath what I already am wearing on top of it because it's very sheer. There's the full size. The smell is amazing. As it's packed with avocado oil, vitamin E to give your lips the nourishment and moisture they need, plus an extra ultra glossy look. Is gorge on everyone. This whole package it's showing is $120 value. I paid $27. Great. Looks like a little jelly. Do have this on already. It was, like I said, it was very sheer. I can just put some on over the top for you. My lips were a little bit dry, so this is gonna help. So you can see what it did, like it add that pop of like, feels good, it feels good, it's like a thick consistency. This was good. All right, so that was it. We've unboxed everything today already. If you do decide to get Ipsy, you can choose. There's one that's a $50. I pay the $27. There's also one that is a $10 a month one, and you get sample size products, so that's where you can start. Also, say goodbye to my curls because I just got my cat face hair in. If you want to see the color I'm doing for spring, I'm going to be crocheting it in my hair as a tutorial to show you guys what you can do because I love crochet. I do want to get into wigs as well, but crochet, I love to keep my hands busy. So like braiding and crocheting is my thing. So I do want to show you guys how I'm going to install that. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more content from me. I'm going to keep getting better. I'm going to keep having more videos pushed out for you guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay meditated. I will see you soon. Bye.